The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Beauregard Parish in southwestern Louisiana, western Calcasieu Parish in southwestern Louisiana, southwestern Newton County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Hardin County in southeastern Texas, northern Orange County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Jasper County in southeastern Texas, until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Evadale, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Orange, Lumberton, Silsbee, Vinton, Deweyville, Starks, Evadale, Fields, Morrisville, Jacquincy, Yuma, Caney Head, West Bluff, Gist, Lunita, Hartford, Forest Heights, Toomey, Old Salem, and Edgerly. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into a small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.